To export files in Purple Mash, click on the Work button, click the drop down under Class, click the drop down under the class you want to view, then the drop down under Pupils, select the pupil you're wanting to view, and then select the files you're wanting to export. Click the Menu button and click the Print button. You can include comments and file details, and then click Print. This will then generate a PDF for you to export. Open the PDF to print, and then click the Download button, and you will have exported the files as a PDF. Some files are not printable. The Busy Beats files, the 2Explore files, the 2Beat files, the 2Sequence files, and the 2DIY 3D files will not be printable, and you'll see that the print button is grayed out. Some of the files can be exported as MP3s though. For example, the 2Explore files, the 2Beat files, and the 2Sequence files can be exported. Open up the file, click the Menu button, click the Export button, and you'll see that there's the Export as MP3 button for you. You can do a similar thing with the 2Animate files. Open up the animation, click the Menu button, click the Export button, and then you can download the file as a GIF. There are files on Purple Mash which are not exportable or printable. For example, the 2DIY 3D files. You can download these though if you click the Menu button and then click the Download button. However, these files are only going to work in Purple Mash, so you will still need a license for Purple Mash to view the file. This has been a video on how to export files in Purple Mash. If you have any questions or need any support, please contact support@2simple.com.